Hi everyone, my name is Om Narayan Dikshit. Today I will give you a quick demo of Agentforce Vibes, which is a Salesforce AI powered vibe coding tool available in VS Code and the web console. In this demo, I will show you how we can use Vibes to generate a complete Apex solution using a prompt. So now I have launched my Agentforce Vibes and I'm connected with my Salesforce org. I will submit a prompt to Agentforce Vibes to plan first. So during planning phase, Vibes scans the repository, understand the structure, and figure out what exactly it needs to do. So once planning is done, we can switch it to act mode. So let me explain you what I have given here. So here you can see a prompt which I have defined. I usually follow a magic prompt formula starting with the role, context, and a clear instruction. So here in this context, we have asked it to build a bulkified Apex solution to apply a custom discount on the opportunity record and which will be invoked via Lightning Web Component. And here are the instruction which I have defined and to generate the Apex classes, and these should be the output. And then at last we will deploy this Apex classes with the help of Salesforce DX MCP server. So here it has completed the analysis. Now we will switch it to the act mode. So act mode, it will start creating the necessary fields and the Apex classes and the test classes. What else we can do with the Agentforce vibes, right? You can generate LWCs, you can generate triggers, you can create flows, you can create Salesforce object, metadatas, and fields. You can also write the test classes, and even you can write the test cases, and you can perform the Salesforce admin task. So now you can see it is generating the opportunity discount service for me. Here you can see the 4 out of 6 tasks are defined, and now it is creating the test data factory for me. So this is a console where you can see what Agentforce Vibes is doing. Now here, if I go through, here you can add your context if you want to refactor your code. Here you can see by default we got Salesforce DXMCP server. And here is the main thing where you can define your custom rules and the workflow rules. So this is very powerful because everyone wants to uh, customize the rules. So here is a place where you can define your rules and workflows for your automation. So now let's see what it's building. So this is now creating a test class for my opportunity discount wrapper. It might have created a test data factory. Yes, test data factory is created. Now it's deploying. It's deploying the uh, all the Apex classes to my org, the functionality and validate the test execution. So that's all. So here you can see what all has been created. All the classes and test classes has been created, and we have deployed them. So that's all from my end. Thank you so much for your time. I would love to hear your feedback and inputs. Bye bye. Happy building with vibes. Thanks a lot.